We have just released a new report which identifies the 6 most common and costly mistakes that home buyers make when moving to a larger home. Unlike the experience of buying a first home, when you are looking to move up and already own a home, there are certain factors that can complicate the overall situation. Now, it's very important for you to understand these issues before you list your home for sale. Not only is there the issue of financing to consider, but you also have to sell your present home at exactly the right time in order to avoid either the financial burden of owning 2 homes or just as bad, the dilemma of having no place to live during the gap between the 2 home closings. In answer to this issue, we have prepared a free special report entitled 6 Mistakes to Avoid When Trading Up to a Larger Home. These 6 strategies will help you make informed choices before you put your home on the market in anticipation of moving to a larger home. To order the free special report, call us now or visit our website and find out what you need to know to make your move up to a larger home worry-free and without any complication.